Welcome back to Indulge with Dimples. Today, I told you, I'm bringing crock pot meals, slow cooker meals all month of December. So today I got cracked chicken. Yes, you heard it, cracked chicken, chicken crack. That's what the recipe was called. I used to make it back in the day. Guess what? I'm making it again. And I was like, they're gonna love it, so why not make it? It only takes 20 minutes to prepare after you unclean the chicken, get all your ingredients out, throw it in the crock pot. It's a two-step to this because you gotta cook it, then you gotta come back and add some more ingredients, then eat it. But I'm gonna show you all that and more in that one crock pot. Also, I'm not here for the complications. I'm not here for the complaints, because guess what? We're making crock pot meals, simple, easy, semi-homemade, semi-store-bought, all love from you. So the best thing and the only things to do is do it. Get with it and do it. Follow me in the kitchen, y'all. Alright guys, welcome back to Indulge with Dimples. I have another crock pot meal for you today. We're here for the simple, not the complex. So listen up. This is fiberless ingredients. It's 20 minutes to prep, not even that, and it takes about 6 hours to cook. So you can shop, clean, argue with the kids, make love to your husband, come back, and lunch and dinner is done. Pal, let's get into it. Nothing but to do it. So for this, we're gonna make slow cook cracked chicken. Now, the name is crazy, but that's what they said it was called. I used to make this back in the day. I had to go refresh my memory, and guess what? I found the recipe again, so I'm showing it to y'all. First thing on the list, you're going to need some bacon bits or some real bacon. Really doesn't matter. I have to go to the store, so if I forget, I got bacon bits. You're going to need 2 cups or a whole bag of cheese. I'm going to use mild cheese. Depending on what you want to use, you're going to need a pack of ranch seasoning dressing. You're going to need half a cream cheese or a whole cream cheese. The ingredients that I'm telling you today, I'm only making half of the portion. If you're going to do a whole portion, you want to double everything that I tell you. And then you're going to need a half a cup of mayo. And you're going to need your chicken breast. That's what makes it so good. And then the most important ingredient is the crock pot. Duh. Alright, so I'm going to put the crock pot on low. As you can tell, I have it on low. If you cook it on high, it takes 3 hours. If you cook it on low, it is 6 hours. So, I got things to do. I'm doing a 6-hour slow cooking process. Now, if you're going to make a full order of this, you're going to need 4 chicken breasts. For me, I'm only going to use 2. And I actually washed these off already. I just put them in the refrigerator. So, I'm going to go ahead and put these chicken breasts in there. As you can tell, these are pretty big, and just gonna lay them in there at the bottom. Yes guys, now I washed these off already, so I want nobody to be like, oh my god. Nope. Oh my god, I washed them off, and I'm not cross-contaminating because I have tongs, because I'm not going to touch anything. Next, you're going to add your seasoning pack. I'm going to use the whole thing because I want it flavorful, and these are some big chicken breasts. If there was a big chicken breast, I would probably use half this pack. And you're going to sprinkle the ranch seasoning on top of the raw chicken that's in the crock pot or the slow cooker. And just cover the whole chicken up. That's a lot of seasoning in this pack. Maybe I shouldn't have used half. Oh well. Use the whole thing. And then you want to use half a cream cheese. I use the other half on another crock pot recipe. If you haven't checked it out, it's the tortellini broccoli. Just look at all my videos. It'll help you. It'll help you be a better cook. So I don't have to explain anything. So yeah, we're going to drop this whole cream cheese or half a cream cheese in there, as you see. I know you're like, can you speed it up? I'm trying. Alright. And guess what? After that, we're going to put the lid on it. Let it cook for 5 hours and 45 minutes. When it gets to 5 hours or 45 minutes, the next thing you're going to do, you're going to take a fork, you're going to shred it up, you're going to add a half a cup of mayo, any type of mayo that you like, and then you're going to add your 2 cups or a cup and a half, I like things cheesy, of cheese, and your 3/4 or half a cup of bacon bits or bacon. So when we come back, I'm going to show you how to finish this recipe off, and then after that, we're going to taste it, because you know it's not right if it doesn't go past Indulge with Dimples. Alright guys, so we're back. It's been 6 hours. I told y'all 5 hours and 45 minutes, but it's been 6 hours. So I am taking the lid off of this bad boy, and the cream cheese is soft, really, really soft, but the chicken smells good, and look how it just pulls apart. So we're gonna go ahead and just shred this chicken up in here. You can get 2 forks, or if you have one like them that meat tenderizer thing, it looks like claws, like wolf claws, you can use that too, but I don't know where mine's at, and I don't care. Yeah, so it smells delicious. Once you open that top up, just shred that chicken. You can shred it as small as you like, or you can leave it chunky. I'm going to shred it just a little bit more, but look at that. Look at that. That looks good. Alright, and it smells delicious. Now, next thing you have to do, you're going to add your real bacon or your turkey bacon or whatever, your bacon bits. I'm going to add maybe 1/8 of bacon bits, because I don't really like that much bacon in it, because it's already good on its own. So I'm going to add 1/8. This is a 1/4 cup. So half of a 1/4 cup. That's half of a 1/4 cup, y'all. And I'm going to pour that in there. Then I'm going to get half a cup of mayonnaise. Not Miracle Whip. This is mayo, light mayo. But you can use mayonnaise, but I wouldn't use mayonnaise because it's sweet. But I use mayo or something like that. And I'm going to use a half a cup. This is a half a cup. It says it on there. So I'm going to go ahead. Take that off. Scoop out a half a cup. Alright, so that's a half a cup been measured out. If I need a little bit more, I will add a little bit more. And then I'm going to add my cup of cheese. And I have mild cheddar cheese. I'm just going to add a cup of that. So 2 halves equal 1 cup. One half. Two halves equal 1 cup. Alright, I'm going to take my 2 forks and get to mixing. This is a serving, half a serving. You can make sandwiches. This can be a dip. It's really good if it's a dip. Now what I'm going to do is cut it off and let it continue to cook. I don't need my forks anymore, but I'm going to taste just a little smidget. I'm going to get my spatula. And what I always say, a good chef has a spatula always prepared for them. Okay? This is delicious. Alright. So the next thing I'm going to do, just a hint of color, add some chives in there. I'm a little extra, so I'm going to add me some garlic powder, because I want to kick up the flavor just a tad bit. The ranch seasoning, yeah, it did wonders. And not only I'm going to add that little bit of pinch of garlic and chives, I gotta be a little extra and add some buffalo chicken seasoning. And I'm only going to add about a couple sprinkles because I want to kick it up. And this is for me, so, you know, you can add extra stuff if you want at the end. Once you gave everybody that scoop. What I'm going to do right now, I actually just put it in the container. And putting it in the container, this is how it looks. And it's like a spread. So you can use this for the Super Bowl playoffs. You can make this, or you can make it and bring it to the holiday gathering, or just leave it in a crock pot and let it simmer. But I'm going to eat it with some crackers. And I'm going to put it on the cracker. Look at that. This right here, y'all, it's the bun. Try it, like it, subscribe. Try it, like it. Let me know what you think. Guess what? It doesn't take that long to cook because we've been gone for like 7 hours. And what happened? It came out delicious. The house is smelling like somebody been slaving in the kitchen. Guess what? I'm not here for the complications. I'm here for the complete meal. So until next time, I will be bringing you another crock pot slow cooker meal. And guess what? It's 10 items or less. You're going to like it. You're going to enjoy it. And everybody's going to be happy. Until next time.